Hi, you're welcome to today's tutorial. We shall be considering construction of hexagon across flat when the dimension that is given across flat is 17 millimeters. So we are going to find out how to construct this. First, let's construct horizontal vertical lines which are perpendicular to each other. So after drawing that, we pick radius of 35 millimeters since the across flat is 70 millimeters. So we use 35 millimeters to draw a circle. So now after drawing a circle round, we are going to set our set square by the edge of the circle. Where it is touching the circle, we'll put our set square perpendicular to the edge of the circle to create a perpendicular line here. Now after that, to move to the other side, we create it. Then now to get this side, since it is a hexagon, it is 60 degrees. Now we're moving across flat, so we're going to make use of the 30 degrees, which is the alternate angle, so to the 60. So we're using 30 degrees to the horizontal, so that's what we're using on the edge of a circle, so to create this side of the hexagon. So now we connect all this and we're done having our hexagon. So everything is complete. The hexagon is complete now. All the excess line, we use our eraser to erase all of them. Then we have this perfect hexagon. So what we're doing at this point is to check the length of the side across flat. The length of the side of our hexagon is 40 millimeters. Remember, we said the distance across flat is 70 millimeters, and the sides, the dimension of the sides of this hexagon is 40 millimeters as measured now after construction. So now and to take note of it, across flat is different from across corners. For across corners, the distance, the radius, is the same thing as the length of each side. As you can see now, we have 40 millimeters as the distance of each side. The dimension of each side is 40 millimeters. Hope you've learned something today.